Hey guys. Okay. Anyways, we're gonna talk about how to snuggle a puppy and give her love and play with one. She's so sweet.
I know.
Meet. Come here. Pixie.
Yeah, she's so adorable, isn't she? She
Meet
loves
Pixie.
to attack people too.
So.
She loves ears.
Meet Pixie, the sweet, lovable doggy. He loves
That
me.
likes to attack people.
Why is her butt up here? That's scared. Move her butt. Eat my foot.
She looks at me.
Oh, mine.
Mine. She's mine.
Mine.
No.
Mine. Mine.
So guys, we're gonna have a different backdrop in this room. Just we're working on stuff in this room. So the backdrop right now is my bed.
Come here.
No, it's mine.
She's mine.
She's
How
mine.
to fight over a puppy?
Mine.
Mine.
You
You're
have to
squashing her head. I will save
No,
you.
I'm cuddling her head.
In the
My right
appropriate.
prop. Okay, this
And
is how
her
you
private.
fight over a dog. You get out your machete and threaten.
She's biting you. She wants me. See?
You have to put your
She's
leg
gonna
over the dog and grab her. Ah! I touched the wrong spot. Oh.
Yes, she did. Ready? Set. You go like this when they do that. And push it out. Let me get the chance. Fine. Look, she wants me.
She wants me.
She wants me.
She wants me.
It's called you tickle your opponent.
Yeah, you do.
Yeah, I'm not very ticklish right there.
Neither am
I said in that spot.
I. I'm only ticklish. You know where?
In your hips.
Yeah, that's the only place I'm ticklish.
Mine. 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 I saw your underwear. I saw your underwear.
I see my
And it's
underwear.
a new video.
I'll just have to blur it out.
Yeah.
That didn't do anything.
I know. Stop strangling her. Okay, let's share. Let's share, okay?
Okay.
Deal?
Compromise.
Let me hold her for a second
Okay.
so they can see her better. This is Pixie.
I have 2 other dogs, but they're not in
Okay.
the video today.
Good.
Don't let them in. They are rambunctious right now.
Come on, boys. Come on.
Close the door.
Hey, Buzz. Charlie.
No.
Buzz, Charlie, come on.
Close the door. All right, here's Charlie.
It's been
Here's
good.
Buzz. Ah.
My doggy. I compromise. She's mine now. Here, get up that easily.
Pixie was my baby. Pixie was my baby at the first time I met her.
She's mine. Mine. First time I met her.
Yeah.
First time she met the dogs, she thought her dad's. She thought they didn't get him. It's puppies, oh, puppies.
My puppy.
Let's keep them separated.
Okay.
We're gonna tell you each doggy, okay? First is Buzz, because he's closest to me.
Yeah.
This is Buzz. He's sweet, and he always wants attention, and he loves, except him and Charlie wrestle a lot. And you give him a hug, and you squeeze him and say, I love you so much, and then you kiss his back and everything. He's so sweet. Okay. Next. Hey, Charlie, come here. Come here, I need you to sit here. Come on, Charlie. Come here. No, Charlie. Okay, Pixie. Pixie, come here. Don't bite me. You mean it? Don't bite me affectionately. This is Pixie. She's sweet. Sometimes. Except when you first walk through the door, she might attack you and try to bite your nose off, like she did. Does a lot to me. Don't bite my nose.
You have to help him, Charlie.
No, it's just hold him there. Oh,
You're in the camera view. Okay.
I know. Okay.
This
This
is
is Charlie. He's a big, furry, cute little boy. We call them Charlies.
So basically, our neighbors think that he was abused because he's like really scared. And one time, my dad barely hit him from pooping on the like doing a diarrhea on the ground. He was like, bad boy. And then Charlie was like squirming and like away. So yeah, that's what happened.
We think he was abused.
Yeah.
They found him on the street and he looked like he needed them.
Yeah. Basically, so one of our other neighbors found him. They were just driving and they found him like on a faraway street, and he looked like he was gonna die if he kept on going.
He didn't have a collar though.
Yeah. And so she took him in, and then one
Boy,
day
boy.
he escaped, and then we found him, and then he escaped our house, and then one of our other neighbors found him, and then they gave him back to us, and now he's ours, Charlie.
Get off, Holly. You have a furry little face, but not little. Okay, he is. I call him BB.
BB.
Big boy.
Big boy.
Big boy. Oh, look at that face. It's so cute. Oh, it's tiny too. And I call this little girl Pixie. I call her LG, little girl. You can tell.
And then Buzz.
And then
down
Buzz
here is LB, little boy.
Yeah. Here's LB, little boy. That's the rapper names.
LB.
Get them back on the bed. They need to see it. Hey, knock it off. These boys like to wrestle. See, get out of the way. See, wrestle boys. Let you boys. Ooh. See, look. The furry little face. Okay. Hope you like meeting the doggies. And always, when you have a chance.
Look at this face.
Okay, bye. Always when you have a chance,
Pixie.
make sure your dogs love you. Like, know that they're loved. Give them, hey. Make sure they don't bite each other's heads off, you know. Oh, that
Wait,
stuff.
guys, watch this.
I have a dog, Sophie.
Ah!
Get over here. Okay, so always make sure your dogs are loved. And when they look like they're sad, give them hugs and loves. Make sure the tail is always wagging. Send us pictures of all your dogs. And,
Where? On my Twitter. Twitter link in the description below.
Yeah, okay. Send us pictures of your dogs and make sure your dogs are always loved. Subscribe down below. And remember, leave comments down below. Tell us your ideas.
Bye.
For videos. Okay.
You
Bye.
Bye.